Okay, so now I want to show you how to do number 9, starting with nope, 10, number 10. We're going to take a look at number 10, how to type in that numeric answer. Well, actually, I'll show you 12 because it's showing already. So the answer is it's 7 to the 0 power, and you're going to want to type it in so that it looks like 7 to the 0 power. To do that, you click in to do your answer, and then you have to click this, this little keyboard, I guess it's called, and you're going to do this little X to the power. There's a little empty box up here at the top. So you'll hit that, and then you'll hit 7. Sometimes I hit it twice, and then that little cursor goes up there to 0, and that will type it in, 7 to the 0 power. You'll do those for numbers 10, 11, and 12 using that little keypad.